Pippins completing their third shutout of the year last night, 3-0 win here in Medford, and now it's day 3 as they go for their 4th sweep of the year. Manager Marcus McKimmey with me on Pippins pregame before this showdown with the Rogues, and pitching was obviously great last night. Andrew Wood started it off in good fashion, 7 scoreless innings, and your bats came through and they needed to. Pretty good performance overall, it looked like, yeah?
Woods has been doing that for several starts now. Really worked hard on some things early in the season to get himself to a position that he is now, and he's pretty much been our rock, right in the middle of the rotation. And he's a guy that we can count on every fifth day. As
of late especially, it seems like you guys are finding multiple ways to get the job done, whether it be last night getting the bats just enough runs or whatever way it's been. Have you been stretching that at all, or is that just these guys finding whatever it takes to get the job done, and as it's been all year?
Well, it's something that we talk about all the time. A baseball game's got a lot of layers to it and a lot of things that can happen, and finding different ways to score and different ways to find ways out of situations is something that we pride ourselves in, and it's not always going to be the same every day, and we've been rewarded so far being able to find different ways to get it done, like you said.
Lastly, you've also been rewarded with 5 All-Stars as of this morning. Vince Fernandez, Sean Wardian, and Jake Roberts the bats, Brandon Williams and Eli Morgan the arms. Good to see that many guys, and probably could have had more in there as well.
Those guys are very deserving. We obviously would love to have more due to where we're sitting right now, and we've got a couple other guys that are deserving, but we're very well represented, and we're happy about that. Speaking of another All-Star, I got to shout out to my boy B. Winnie, who watches Pippins pregame every day. Thanks for watching. We love you.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Here, Marcus McKimmey joining me just about every day before the ball game. 6:35 tonight here in Medford. Pippins going for the sweep. That's it for Pippins pregame on PippinsBaseball.com.